Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome back. So now in this video you will simply connect our app to the Firebase. First open your browser and right in here search for Firebase console. In here open that first one, Firebase console, and in here click on this get started. In here we will create a new one, so click on this add project. Now we will give the name to the project. I will name this as a iJob clone app. There we go. Now click continue and disable that and create a project. So this is going to take some time, just wait for a while. So we are ready to go. So now click on this continue and right in here we will click on this Android because we are working with the Android. Okay, so click on that simply. Now in here first we will simply provide the package name for our project right in here. Okay, so go back to the Android Studio and right in here open that Android, and in here we will simply go to the app, open that, and in here open that build.gradle. Okay, in here we will go down. So right in here, as you guys can see that application ID, we will simply copy that. Okay, and you guys can also edit that. So in here I will provide my name and you guys can write whatever you want. So in here I will copy that and go back to the Firebase. In here write in the package name, you will paste it. It's fine. Now you can give the nickname to your project, so I will name this as a iJob, just iJob, and then register the app simply. So now right in here we will download that Google Services JSON file. Click on that. Now right in here show in folder. From here it's right inside my download folder, as you guys can see right in here. Okay, now I will simply cut this from here and go back to the Android Studio. First let me close that build.gradle and writing the app, right click and then simply paste it. Okay, and there we go with the JSON file. Let me show you also in the app. There we go. Okay, Google Services JSON file. So we successfully add the JSON file. Let me close that from here. Now we will go back to the Firebase. Right in here click next. Now in here we will simply copy that class path. Okay, it's copied. Now we will simply go to the project, to the Android Studio, and right inside the build.gradle on the project level we will add that. So let's go and do that. So in here open that Android and right in here, as you guys can see that build.gradle, open that. Right in here write in these dependencies, as you guys can see. Okay, and then just simply paste it that class path. So it's fine. Now close that build.gradle and we will go back to the Firebase. Now in here we will copy that plugin, that one, copy. We will add that to the project, right in the app module and then the build.gradle. So let's go and do that. In here, open that Android, go to the app, and right inside the app, there you go, the build.gradle, okay, the app one, right inside the app. So simply open that, and we will go down below this dependencies. In here we will paste it, the plugin. So that's fine. Now we will save all and go back to the Firebase. We are done here. Now click next. In here, continue to console. We will go towards the authentication. In here, get started, click on that. And right in here, we will enable that email password. So in here, enable, and then click save. So you guys can see the result right in here, it's enabled. Now we will go towards the database Firestore, click on that. We will also set that database. In here, click on that create database, and in here we will go with the start and test mode, okay, and then simply click on this next. In here, enable. So this is gonna create our database in which we will upload our data right in the future. So there we go. Now we will simply go towards the rules and we will update the rules. In here we will simply remove that line of code and we will set that to true. So then we will able to use the database and it's going to be accessible. So set this to true and then click on this publish. So the rule has been updated successfully. Now we will go towards the storage. Now we will update the rules also right in here. So then we will be able to use it. And right in the future we will upload some kind of images right in the storage. So in here, click on these rules and go towards that and set this to true. There we go. Now simply publish. The rule has been updated successfully. So that's fine. So we are done with the Firebase and we successfully add our app to the Firebase. Project setting. There we go. Okay. Enjoy. So all good. Now we will go back towards the Android Studio, and that's it for this video. And in the next video we will work further right from here.